Hi, this is JT with Sturdy Built Trailer Parts, and I just want to introduce you to our new line of hot dip galvanized boat trailer axles manufactured by Dexter Axle. The Dexter axles feature a 2" by 2" square rectangular tubing that has a 1/4 inch wall thickness. The tubing is then hot dip galvanized to help prevent corrosion and rust from salt water. A Sturdy Built Trailer Parts exclusive is our adjustable spring seats that are patent pending. They allow you to install your trailer springs to your axle without having to drill a hole into your axle beam. These spring seats also are hot dip galvanized and clamp in place with your U-bolts. The upside to the adjustable spring seats is that you no longer have any holes in your axle, which could let salt water into the inside of your axle, allowing it to rust from the inside out. All of our Dexter hot dip galvanized boat trailer axles also feature a stainless steel wear sleeve. The wear sleeves allows your seal to ride on a stainless steel surface. This prevents the common rusting or pitting and corrosion where your seal rides, which typically leads to slung grease on the backside of your rim. All of our axles also include a spindle washer, spindle nut, and locking device to keep everything safely in place. These 3,500 pound axles also feature a 1 3/8 inside diameter bearing and a 1 1/16 inch diameter outer bearing. All of our boat trailer axles feature a system called Easy Lube. The Easy Lube system allows grease to be pumped in through the grease fitting, through your spindle, and out this hole right before your rear seal. The grease then is forced forward, repacking your rear bearing, forward, repacking your front bearing, and then oozes out the front of your dust cap. This system allows for you to purge all the old, worn out, or perhaps water and dirt that got inside of your hub, replacing it with clean, fresh grease. This is a Sturdy Built Trailer Parts exclusive, hot dip galvanized adjustable spring seat that's used on our galvanized boat trailer axles. These spring seats allow you to place your springs anywhere that you need on your axle within the allowable length. They also allow you to mount your springs on top of your axle, or the more common approach of mounting your springs below your axle. They clamp in place with your U-bolts. This is an example of one of the Sturdy Built Trailer Parts exclusive adjustable spring seats being used in a situation in which the axle mounts below your leaf springs. Notice how the adjustable spring seat is placed on top of the axle, then the leaf spring, and everything is clamped in place with your U-bolts. In this particular case, you would take your adjustable spring seat and place it on top of your axle. You would then place your spring on top of the adjustable spring seat, and then use your 2 U-bolts on either side of the spring seat in order to clamp everything in place. This will allow you to center up your leaf springs on your axle to make sure the overhang is the same on both sides. This is an example of Sturdy Built Trailer Parts exclusive adjustable spring seat used in a situation in which your leaf springs mount below your axle. This is probably the most common axle mount up setup. In this situation, you would take your adjustable spring seat and place it below your axle. You would then install your leaf spring underneath of it and then attach everything with your U-bolts and 5-hole axle plate.